So we are now walking into, this is a nice building. What is that, Stephen?
It came off of yours, right?
What is it, Stephen? What is this?
This is for getting over the tailgate.
It's for the tailgate.
Yeah.
Like a, oh, it's like a, I don't know, you have to show me.
You take that tailgate off there, then you put that on.
Oh.
And when you get ready to back up, you don't have to let your tailgate down.
Oh.
And when you're pulling the camper, you don't have that wind drag.
Oh, okay. Look, we're looking to build something like this, the concrete floor, and this high, like I said, so we are big belly rebuilds, and Stephen is wanting to spend the fall building something like this. It's just wonderful.
At the bottom, there's a little, or halfway down, there's a little thing that you do, and it makes it go out to keep it stable.
Oh, keep it from rocking?
Keep it from rocking,
Oh, I'll be darned. I didn't even know they made such a thing.
It's steady as it up. Say you turn it over during the night, she can barely shake on her side.
Well, I am a restless sleeper.
But you just...
Oh, wow.
Looks nice now on these
pull that little thing down.
All you do is pull that, release it.
Pull that to...
Stephen?
These are all leveling blocks, huh?
But what's that? You were just saying something about standing on something.
This is, well, you put this over there and you stand on it and shower. So you're not standing in the sand.
That's a showering step then. Okay.
It's a,
well, something that you're not on the ground with.
right, gets you up off the ground.
And then Miss Wanda was telling us that these were all the blocks that you use to support it then.
Whenever you're setting it up. And extra hoses and stuff.
Oh, wow. So, Stephen, you know about all this stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
Stephen used to repair mobile homes, so.
Well, that's to put under your front there so it'd be steadier.
Oh, yeah, on the nose.
Okay, wow.
Might just be the cable.
That's the only thing I know wrong with it. And up there where you see that different color paint.
All
I
of our
skipped one
phones
time.
are Samsung.
I took two
Yeah,
damn
well, ours
stuff.
are too.
Because guess what?
I had a friend of mine in Florida.
My
fixed it.
dad's phone is the blue one, which
Not
Mom
bad.
likes to use.
Yeah.
Then my mom's in the
I have to
purple.
keep an eye on it.
What happened up there?
Black one.
Where a limb went through it.
Oh, well, I mean, it's all sealed up now, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's taken care
Obviously.
of. It's taken care of. It just has a little discoloration
Guess
from
what?
different paint.
Dad just was saying some dope twist.
So how does the outside shower
Can't
work?
complain, can I?
Stephen, how does the outside shower
It's
work?
a little more advanced
How does it work?
because
Well,
mine is a Samsung Galaxy.
I guess you just turn it on.
Because
You need a shower?
most of the times they'll go.
No, but I like the idea of showering
See, you
AJ
got
off.
two little
But when they
Ooh,
handles up
wow.
there. It's dirty.
So, well, that's gonna be cleaned up. So if he's been doing yard work, then he can come out and shower off.
the Galaxy goes up from
It's
down,
not hooked up to water, you don't hook it up.
and that's why mine.
Oh.
No,
No,
that's
no,
not
no.
necessary.
But anyway, that's how you hook it
Oh,
up.
look, AJ, here's the outside shower,
Well, I
baby.
didn't even, we never used it, so I didn't even think.
And we used to wash up after we cook fish.
Yeah, but I never looked at it to clean it up. I didn't think about it.
Oh, that's not an issue. So you've only used it like once or twice in 20
Yeah,
years?
we've not used it much. When we cook fish outside, we usually wash up out here so it wouldn't get everything in the house dirty.
So you have a lot of good memories.
We do. We've had a lot of camping with this.
Oh, okay. Come on, I want to raise it up.
That's my job, to hold that and let it go up.
You guys got it down pat, huh?
All right, we got this locked up now.
You said that vent has to be, Miss Wanda, you said that vent has to be open for the microwave, you said?
Yeah, you need to open that when you're using the oven and stuff. 'Cause
Oh.
it lets the vent it.
Oh, right, okay.
Open that up, that little thing up. Yes. I showed him how to put the poles in.
Yeah.
AJ, stay out of the way.
Well, thank you very much. Like I said, it's more of a gift than anything. Thank you.
Somebody appreciate it.
Yeah, we're gonna love it. Thank you.
You're welcome, and I hope y'all enjoy it.
All right, so we have made the purchase, and Stephen is pulling away with this. We have bought ourselves a fifth well. And we say, praise Jesus. And it's just like the best thing. I mean, it's just way better than what we could have ever dreamed. And we just give all the honor and all the glory to Jesus Christ. Thank you, Father. Okay, we are stopping for fuel right outside of Springfield, Tennessee. We are on our way back to Cerulean, Kentucky, which is where we are based. We were this morning in Mount Juliet, right outside of Nashville, Tennessee. And oh, we gotta get our masks on. All right, Steven, so tell me what I'm seeing here.
I gotta move so these semi trucks are down.
Oh, okay. All right, so So we are turning onto Hendrick Street. All right, we are coming home.
What I don't understand is that
You have to hook the water line up, AJ.
No.
You can't use the toilet until we have the water line hooked
that's
up.
not what I'm talking about. Why can't you use the toilet while it's moving?
You're just not supposed to be in the vehicle. You're not supposed to be in anything like a camper or an RV while it's moving. It's against the law.